Hi there, this is tuxoche.com. In the last video I showed you how to remove unwanted objects in an image with Lightroom 5. In this video I show you the same process with Photoshop CS6 or CC. Okay, we got our picture. You see the traffic signs and the pole. So we call Photoshop. You can open the picture also from the bridge, that is no difference. And now Photoshop has to read the raw file and convert it to TIFF. Okay, here's our picture. We go into magnification and oops, okay, that is good, and choose the removal tool, this one. We check if the white is enough. Okay, and now we can draw the traffic sign, not to forget the pole. Okay, like this, and voila, removed. We do the same with this one. Removed, and now we go to the traffic sign over here. Go down the pole. Okay, that should make it. And as you can see, the unwanted objects are removed. Now we go into a 100% view. 100, okay. There's nothing left. Okay, if you view edit at this magnification, you might wonder about the double green flowers here, but the automatic mode does the job pretty good, or at least it's a base for further image processing either in Lightroom or in Photoshop. That was our little video for the Photoshop version, removing unwanted objects. I hope you liked it a little bit, and if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I will try to answer. Till the next time, ciao, Tuxoche.